Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today I'm just making an impromptu video for one of our viewers, Calvin, who recently commented that he had a defective SmartTag Plus due to his battery dying after a week. If I remember, I actually had a similar issue long time ago, but I forgot I even did it. I fixed it somehow. So I'm going to try to detail as to what steps I took. So let's get into it, shall we? So there's a few things I'd like you guys to try before attempting to claim a warranty. I hope one of these will solve the issues, as I hear that the warranty process is quite a tedious one. So we'll have to go through the process of elimination. First, let's start with the battery, if it's at fault. Now, obviously, we're going to have to try replacing the existing battery with a brand new one, hopefully with a totally different brand. Now, if you don't know how to get the cover off of one of these smart tags, please watch my other video, which I'll link to you guys, which details how easy it is. So let's try removing the existing battery. Sorry guys, I kind of cheated and already pre-lifted it because one hand is pretty awkward. But hopefully you get the idea. You just get a paperclip or a tool like this. It's a SIM card ejector tool. It came with your phone maybe, and you just insert it into this hole and just leverage it and lift it out like so. Like so. There it is. You want to clean this battery. I totally advise that because you might have some dirt or oils that might accumulate, and you want to remove them so you get better contact with the pins inside. So all you do is get some rubbing alcohol and some Q-tips, dip it in, and then you want to go around the whole thing. Sorry, focus. There it is. You want to go around the whole thing, especially on the sides too, because the pins also contact the sides. And once you clean it, I would also highly recommend cleaning these pins as well. So you take your Q-tip and just dip it in the rubbing alcohol and just clean that a little bit, the pins as well, especially. So guys, before you put in your shiny new battery in, I also suggest, focus, okay, there it is. I also suggest lightly, and I do mean lightly, lift these pins a little, because sometimes they're just too flaky. You want to use like something very thin, because the actual contacts are very minuscule. So you want to kind of, I don't know if you can see that, guys. Just lift it up a little bit. All right, not too much. And also the side ones, if you can. Pull them out a little bit. Yeah. This is just to make sure that it has good contact with your battery. Now, once you've done that, you just put your battery back in. Okay. And you'd want to go to your Samsung SmartThings app on your phone and see if there's a firmware update for your Samsung SmartTag. If so, go through the whole process to update that. After that, I would then try to unpair and reset the SmartTag through the app. And sorry guys, I can't show you because I'm actually using the phone to record. Now at this stage, I would definitely perform a hard factory reset of the SmartTag. You actually physically can reset this SmartTag. And I kind of remember this as it was a big step, as I thought originally my device was kaput because it made no sound when I actually pressed the button here. It made no sound. And after doing this reset, I actually managed to bring it back to life. So this is how you do it. So guys, we're going to have to go through the whole process again, taking the battery out. Get your paper clip here. You can see that. Pull out the battery. All right. And let's see if we can do this with the awkwardness that I am in. You want to press down on the button. Okay, guys? Hold that down. And you want to insert the battery once again into the device by holding the button down. Don't let go. Okay, there it is. Keep holding it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. And you'll get that noise and you just release. And you hear that sound. That's a sound that it actually resetted to factory. So if you hear that sound, you've returned everything back to the way it once was when you opened it from the box. So we're going to have to go through the whole process again of setting up your SmartTag and associating it to your account. Yeah, hopefully this solves any of your problems you might have. I know one of these steps may or may not. No, I'm not too sure. Please comment below if it does help you. I'd be very curious. If you really like this video, just give me a thumbs up. If you enjoyed my content, please be sure to subscribe to my humble YouTube channel. All right? Cheers, guys.